Looking to take your website to the next level, considering outsourcing your WordPress development needs? Let's explore why outsourcing to a WordPress development company might be the right move for you. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the complexities of WordPress development? Wondered how to streamline your website's functionality without draining your internal resources? Or perhaps you are unsure about the benefits of outsourcing your WordPress projects. Imagine if you could leverage the expertise of seasoned WordPress professionals to enhance your website, allowing them to focus on what you do best, that is, growing your business. Outsourcing your WordPress development to a specialized company could be the solution you've been searching for. But why outsource? What are the advantages of partnering with a dedicated WordPress development company? Well, for starters, it's about expertise. Your in-house team is fantastic, but when it comes to intricate WordPress solutions, having specialists on board makes all the difference. Specialized knowledge, rapid deployment, and cost efficiency, these are just a few reasons why businesses are turning to outsourcing. Whether you need a custom plugin development, responsive design, or ongoing maintenance, outsourcing to a WordPress development company ensures you get top-notch results without the headache. Imagine your website achieving peak performance while you save time and resources. Outsourcing WordPress development isn't just about getting the job done. It's about elevating your online presence to attract more customers and drive growth. But how does outsourcing WordPress development actually work? What exactly is the process? Let's have a look into it. First, it starts with identifying your needs, whether it's a new website build, custom plugin development, or ongoing maintenance. Defining your requirements sets the foundation. Next comes the consultation phase. You'll collaborate closely with the project managers and developers to outline project goals, timelines, and budget. Once the plan is solidified, the development team swings into action. They'll start coding, testing, and refining your WordPress solution. Throughout the development process, communication is the key. Your feedback helps ensure the project meets your expectations. Finally, after thorough testing and client approval, your new WordPress site or feature is ready to launch. From start to finish, ensuring WordPress development streamlines the process, allowing you to achieve professional results efficiently. But what about the cost? How much does it typically cost to outsource WordPress development to a company? The cost of outsourcing WordPress development can vary based on several factors. First is the scope and complexity of your project do play a significant role. A simple website design may cost you less than a complex e-commerce platform development. Second, the experience and location of development team can impact the costs. Offshore teams may offer lower rates while local agencies often provide more personalized services. Finally, ongoing maintenance and support are additional factors to consider. Some companies include maintenance packages in their initial quotes, while others charge separately. Ultimately, outsourcing WordPress development offers flexibility in budgeting and scalability. Whether you are a startup looking to establish an online presence or a growing enterprise needing custom solutions, outsourcing can align with your financial goals. But why choose Softtrix for your outsourced WordPress development needs? What sets them apart? Softtrix stands out as a leading choice for outsourcing WordPress development. With years of experience and a dedicated team of WordPress experts, we offer tailored solutions to meet your unique business requirements. Softtrix excels in delivering high-quality results while maintaining transparency and clear communication throughout the development process. Our commitment to excellence extends to ongoing support and maintenance, ensuring your WordPress site remains secure and up to date. Whether you're looking for a custom plugin development, responsive design, or a comprehensive e-commerce solution, Softtrix has the knowledge and skills to bring your vision to life. Are you ready to transform your WordPress experience? Contact Softtrix today and discover why they are best choice for your outsourced WordPress development needs. Let's build something remarkable together. Please do like, share, and and comment on this video. If you consider outsourcing your WordPress development needs, do contact us through our website or the number provided on the screen. Thank you so much.